Put a pressure tester on it, started looking, found the leak. All right, leak coming from the radiator side of things. All right, so here's the other leak. It's coming from the radiator side tank. That seal on the radiator. And you can see it there. And down in here also. All right, so we got the radiator in. All right, looks to be the right one. Now we're gonna take this thing off. Pretty self-explanatory. And it's got, this is the one with the oil cooler and the transit cooler. So it's got the transmission cooler over here and an oil cooler over here. Some don't, so you need a different radiator if you don't. Then the fan, one bolt's here and on the other side. Then you got to just, it's self-explanatory, just remove the connectors, unbolt the cooling lines from both sides. You have another one over there. And then this thing should start coming right out. And you know, you got these little clips here. Take the clips out and these things pull right out. Easy peasy. All right, so we got it down in a nice little vacuum here. And then now we're gonna open the valve because I have the hose into a coolant tank. And I'm just gonna draw it in there. That's gonna take a little while. And that way there's no air bubbles in the system. See how all the vacuum, the hoses are under vacuum? Now they're gonna start filling up with coolant. And that way you prevent any air bubbles. All right, so there she is running. She's fixed. New radiator, no more leaks. We're done, back on the road.